tip video for you on the Scorpion back protectors. Now this is the foam. I have two of these back protectors. And let me show you. I've got the Scorpion EXO Optima jacket here, and then the Scorpion EXO Airflow kind of jacket. I'm not sure exactly what that one is, but I just got this Optima kind of winter-ish jacket here for the south, and I didn't have a back protector for it, but I do now, and this one had one as well. And I just wanted to show you a quick tip here about getting these back protectors in. On my first Airflow jacket, I trimmed the sides, and then I trimmed about a good portion off here because I thought you couldn't get it in any other way, and that's not true. So on the jacket itself, it'll have a pocket obviously this big. Let me turn you this way. It'll have a pocket this big and this size, and then about right here will be the zipper. So obviously you want to zip the zipper back, take this foam out. And here's the trick, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to take the edge of your back protector, just like this, and I don't have, it's on my phone here, so I don't have two hands, but you'll take one side like this, one side like this, and you'll stuff it down all the way into the pocket as far as you can get it. And you can, they're a little thicker, the back protectors are, but they still form like this. It might be, you can't bend it at a 90 immediately, but they kind of pull back slowly and they'll hold their spot. So you stuff it in, and remember your zipper's right here. So it's kind of stuffed in and your zipper will hold it for you. And at that point, what you do is just like you hold it like this, and then you peel back the front, just like this. And of course, imagine my other hand being there on the right, but you'll have it like that. You'll peel this back until you get it past the upper part of the zipper lip, and then you'll push it down and it'll go in, and then it'll flatten out just like that. Because until you get this top part in, these flaps will have to stay like this and this. But once this top part locks in, then it'll expand out perfect. And that's kind of the trick to it. It took me a while on my first jacket, but my second jacket, this went in like 10 seconds. But anyway, I hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them. So thanks, guys.